Hello. How are you doing? Welcome to Ffiws.
Thank you. Who are you?
So I'm Joe. Hello everyone.
And what do you do in Ffiws?
So I'm paid to be here, which is really cool. I'm a maker who does lots of things in different makerspaces, but I'm paid to be here to kind of help people out. So sometimes I run workshops for people on various bits of kit, or sometimes I'm just here on the open days for people to come in and I can help them with their projects.
And what do you do when you're not in Ffiws?
I live my life. So I'm a freelancer, so I write for one of the world's leading maker magazines, which is called Hackspace magazine, so I'm a regular contributor to that. I do various bits of like freelance maker stuff, making things for people, and yeah, I'm a director of a couple of businesses, and yeah, all kinds of stuff.
Oh, cool. And which one is your favourite machine here in Ffiws?
Oh, they're all pretty good. So I'm going to pick this one because it's sort of a little machine that sometimes gets a bit overlooked. So we've got some Ace kit, we've got like the 3D printers and the CNC router and the laser cut, but this is a vinyl cutter and it can cut a variety of materials. So like for example, I just cut this out, which is a design that's going to get hot pressed onto a t-shirt, and yeah, it's just it works really well. Some weird uses for it. Somebody was in the other week cutting stickers, but they were going to stick them onto glass and use them as like a stencil to sandblast and etch into glass. So at first glances you think, oh, it just cuts out stickers, but when you get into it there's like all kinds of stuff you can use it for. So yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So what is the coolest thing that you've made in a makerspace?
Well, I'll give you a really cheesy answer, but it's true.
Yeah.
The best things that I've made in makerspace is all over the. I've been really lucky to go in makerspaces all over the UK and some all over the world, in fact. And the best thing I've made is like friends and met people and met cool people. But I've also made some cool stuff. I made parts for like satellites and rockets, and I've made crazy stuff. But mainly people, made mates.
Oh, yeah. Nice. So what's your favourite thing about Ffiws?
Ffiws? Probably similar. The people, the space is nice, it's not too big. I'm loving the fact with Ffiws that we're, as well as just getting people in working on their hobbies, we're getting like businesses off the high street have been coming in here in Porth, which I just think's brilliant, and like we're, I don't know, making little things that are helping them develop products and stuff. So yeah, just the way it's getting used seems pretty good.
And tell us one interesting fact about yourself.
So I do as a hobby. As a hobby, but also part of a non-profit business as well. I do a lot of stuff with rockets, making and building model rockets up to massive ones. And I hold one interesting fact about that is I hold a UK altitude record for model rocketry.
Wow. That's cool. Impressive.
There we go.
And what do you think is the most common misconception about makerspaces?
A lot of people think that makerspaces aren't for them because they think they need to know everything before you get here, which is a bit ridiculous when you think about it, because nobody does. So like if a new piece of machinery comes in here, I have to learn how to use it just like anybody else. Yeah. So I think that's the worst misconception, is people go, oh, I'm not going to go to Ffiws because I don't know how to design something for 3D printing. Well, that's why it's here. Like, that's why we're here. Come in, and we'll help you learn those things. So yeah, the misconception is you need to know a load of stuff before you rock up, which you don't.
Yeah. So what can people expect from one of your sessions?
Good Lord. I'm quite high energy. I'm a bit silly, so I like to sort of. I can't stand sort of. I could never deliver a workshop like this where we talk about things, so I'm quite, I like to be engaging and I like to have a bit of humour, so there'll probably be a lot of giggling.
That's good. So when are you in Ffiws?
I'm currently here every Tuesday between 3 and 9 PM because I wanted it to be open in the evenings too, so that people after school, after college, after work can come in and have a play with the machines.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Joe.
You're welcome. Cheers.